Ever wondered how to make the perfect chocolate fudgy cake at home? A dessert that's decadently rich, moist, and oh so satisfying. Well, you're in for a treat as we break down the process into simple, easy-to-follow steps. First things first, gather all the necessary ingredients. You will need 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 eggs, 1 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 cup of boiling water, and of course your favorite chocolate fudge icing. With all the ingredients at hand, now it's time to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven heats up, grease and lightly flour 2 9-inch round cake pans. Now onto the mixing. In a large bowl, stir together the sugar, flour, cocoa, baking powder, baking soda and salt. Add eggs, milk, oil and vanilla, and beat on medium speed for about 2 minutes. Stir in the boiling water last. The batter might seem thin, but that's just the way it should be. Pour the batter evenly into the prepared pans. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes, or until a wooden pick inserted in the center comes out clean. Cool for 10 minutes, then remove the cakes from the pans to wire racks. Let them cool completely. Once cooled, it's time for the grand finale. Frosting. Slather your favorite chocolate fudge icing between the layers, on top, and around the sides. And voila! Your homemade chocolate fudgy cake is ready to steal the show. So, to recap, 1. Gather your ingredients. 1. Preheat your oven and prepare your pans. 1. Mix the dry and wet ingredients separately, then together. 1. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes. 1. Let the cakes cool. 1. Frost with your favorite chocolate fudge icing. It might seem like a lot of steps, but once you've tasted the heavenly richness of this chocolate fudgy cake, you'll agree it's worth every second spent. So go ahead, indulge in this chocolatey delight. After all, there's always room for dessert.